credit of the board who are present today. Thank you, Ms. Secretary. So, before we start our discussion, who can tell me your previous lesson yesterday? Anyone? Yes, Miss.
Citation historical.
What is the importance of what is all about the citation of sources? Anyone? Yes, Miss.
Citation search twice refer to the original information and taking a void category.
Very well. Thank you. So here's the objective. So everyone, please read.
At the end of the discussion, the students will be able to analyze what are the different types of possible jobs in the future using guessing activities. Value the importance of different types of documents needed to apply a job using one match of activity. Apply the value and analyze the related job-related documents by the caption all you are ready.
Do you want to have a games?
Yes.
I can hear you.
Yes.
So
Yes.
the title of our activity is called Guess Me. So I have a box here. I forgot. Here's the guys. Can you read everyone?
The teacher will divide the class into two groups. Wherein the students will be able to guess the job by acting and showcasing representative of every group. After they guess the picture, you will explain what kind of job they were doing. One rule.
Okay. I have a box here. Inside the box, you have, sorry. The picture is inside the box. You will take it and you will showcase it in the front of the class. Okay? I need a representative of each group. Okay, pasok sa bahay na. You need to act the picture and your group will guess it. After you will explain what it's all about. Okay? Ako mag-aasa. Okay. Doon ka lang. Ikaw muna. Wait, huwag mo sabihin this. Bigas nga, diba? Ayan. Okay, explain.
Yung mga tinagawa ng mga company kung may kailangan and
Ikaw. Okay, first. You. So what is first sentence? Stand up, Gigi. Very good. Okay, next.
I know that.
Police. So what is police? Stand up.
Police po is a kind of work na nanguhuli ko ng criminals at kasi save the
Okay. Give a round of applause. We have another icebreaker. So this is called Batch Eye. Are you excited, guys? So here
The picture will flash a picture and the student will get a what our picture represents for.
I need 8 volunteers, 80 volunteers of students.
Kailangan si picture ka. Ako center.
Let's get it. Say thank you.
Last. Ano yan? Help you? Exchange that. Depends. Are you right? Oh. What's that? For me. For me. For me and me.
Full storage ako.